Thank you much. I will get back afterwards. Don't worry. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Derek, dear friends and colleagues. As part of the Continental Program, we run several projects and programs in our continent, which help and support our stakeholders, the NOC, main stakeholders. As you are aware that we distribute annually the NOC activity, which we do transfer directly to you through our OCA, and you have it directly by close communication with our finance department. Last year, in 2013, already 43 NOC benefited from that NOC activity. And 2014, so far 30. As you know, that the second year will not be released unless we receive the final report, financial report from your side, and accordingly, the second year amount will be